What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today we are going to be discussing this coin. This is a very unique and very dramatic looking coin, and I want to tell you about it. So let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so this coin is a 1972 double denomination over 1964 struck silver dime. And although this was an intentionally struck mint error, it is very unique in the way it looks. A 1964 silver Roosevelt dime was overstruck by a 1972 Lincoln cent die. 1972 Roosevelt dimes were clad in composition, but by selecting a silver dime as the host coin, this 1972 Lincoln cent is struck in silver. This type of double denomination is known as an 11-cent piece. Occasionally, one is discovered within a year or more span between the dates of the dime and the cent. And so in this case, there's actually 8 years. There's an 8-year gap, which is very, very unusual, guys. It is in choice mint state condition, mint state 63, with both full dates clearly visible on the obverse. The most exciting aspect of this unique mint error is the fact that it is a 1972 Lincoln cent struck over a struck silver dime instead of a clad dime. And so, yeah, guys, that's pretty much what this coin is all about. And it actually sold for over $7,000 at auction. So, yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.